Well, here's a Henry happily running along. The meter is pinned beyond 4,000 volts. I'm not sure if the meter is accurate or not. At any rate, the Henry has been behaving by running it on 110 through an extension cord, which I know is bad, but I'm just testing it here. Anyway, the cord's not warm. I'm not transmitting, but I'm able to get about 900 watts key down out of this Henry with about 100 watts drive, I think. So let me show you how it's going here. So key up the Henry like this. There's the idle current on the 3500Zs running there. The input to the Henry is going to be how many watts? 75 watts. Out of the Henry, I'm seeing about 900 watts. Let's try for a kW. A little more drive. Let's see if I don't get a kilowatt. Oh yeah. There's a kilowatt coming out. So this guy is cranking. My antenna is only rated for 500 watts, so I'm not going to be cranking out power in this antenna a whole lot. Let's give it one more little crank here. Okay, a little more drive. 1.2 kilowatts coming out of the Henry. So I think it's working. If it had 220 power, it would probably work a lot better, but on 110, and oh yeah, I can feel it getting a little warm there. So we're cranking. Let's take the power here down to CW mode. That takes the final current down to the bias idle current on the finals. So let's try and crank it here a bit now with the power, with the voltage down. What do we get? Well, that's a healthy 800 watts, so I'm happy with Mr. Henry. And how much is going in? 125 watts in. Okay, well, I'm happy with the Henry. It looks like it's fixed. It needed capacitors, a diode, resistors, but it looks like it's a happy Henry, so that's great. I don't have a working microphone to even talk on it right now. I broke the microphone, so maybe I'll fix the mic and talk on the Henry here and see how people like it. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.